Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix NVIDIA app error code 0x0003. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up device manager, then you need to look for your display adapters, right click on your GPU, update driver, search automatically for drivers and update to the latest ones, right? And next step, what you need to do here, first on search, you just need to look for NVIDIA app, open file location, then open file location again, and then you just need to copy the path, right? Then go to Windows Defender Firewall, On the Windows Defender Firewall, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then change settings, then allow another app, then you need to hit Browse, and then paste the path and add NVIDIA exe app file, right? And then add it. If you're getting this error, NVIDIA app is already on the list, don't worry, you don't need to do here nothing because it's already added. And if you're getting no errors, you just need to press add, right? And then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then go to search, services, and then on services, click on one of the tasks here and press N. And then here should be NVIDIA tasks. So NVIDIA display container, LS, NVIDIA frame view, SDK service, and NVIDIA local system container. So you just need to right click one by one, go to properties, make sure it's automatic, start of type, and also service status should be running. If it's not running, make it just press start, apply OK. And then you can also restart the task here after you apply the changes. And as you can see here, I do the same with all of them. Make it to automatic, start. Okay. And then do the same with this one. And then look if the problem persists or not. And if it's not working, then another step, what you need to do here, on search, you just need to write run or press Windows and R key. Then on the new window here, just write %local app data %, hit OK. Then select NVIDIA Corporation, then look for NVIDIA app, and then just delete EF cache folder here. If you can't delete the folder, just completely close NVIDIA app, and then you should do so, right? And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, go to installed apps, then look for NVIDIA, here, NVIDIA, and then look for NVIDIA app, uninstall it, and after you uninstall NVIDIA app, open up your browser, and then you just need to write NVIDIA app download, something along these lines. And probably it will be the first link by NVIDIA. And then you just need to re-download the app, and then look if the problem persists or not. But this should fix your problem. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more.